You have built a successful B2B business through traditional channels like calls, emails, and strong relationships, and you have every reason to be cautious about going digital. Or maybe you're struggling to keep up with your growing B2B operations. Orders are coming in, sales are increasing, you're finally hitting your targets, but instead of celebrating, your team is completely overwhelmed. Why? Because your current system simply can't keep up with your success. In the complex world of B2B e-commerce, disconnected systems aren't just frustrating, they drain revenue and productivity. Manual data entry, out-of-sync inventory, and broken workflows slow everything down. Your wholesale customers expect a simple digital experience, but managing complex pricing, corporate accounts, and bulk orders is nearly impossible without the right infrastructure. When your e-commerce platform and ERP don't communicate, growth hits a ceiling. That's why we are here to offer you our ERP-Integrated B2B E-commerce Solution by nopStation. We bridge the critical gap between your back-office operations and your online storefront, transforming how you do business. Let's explore the features and see how this solution powers your entire sales ecosystem. Feature 1. Advanced B2B Account Management. Most businesses struggle with whether to manage B2B and B2C customers on separate platforms. With our solution, you don't have to. You can manage both B2B and B2C in one system, giving your customers the freedom to choose how they want to operate. Handling business customers can be complex, especially when multiple people are involved. With advanced B2B account management, it becomes simple. You can group multiple users under one business account, assign roles and permissions, and make sure everyone only accesses what they need. Now, let's move on to Feature 2, Custom Pricing and Product Visibility. Delivering the right products at the right price is essential in B2B. With custom pricing and product visibility, you can create a personalized experience for every customer. Offer customer-specific pricing, like contract rates, bulk discounts, or negotiated prices, so each buyer sees what's relevant to them. You can also set pricing tiers for wholesalers, retailers, and VIP customers, all within one platform. At the same time, you stay in full control of product visibility, showing each customer only the products meant for them. This keeps the experience relevant, treat your wholesale customers separately, and helps prevent costly mistakes. Feature 3. Sales Representative Assisted Ordering. In B2B commerce, not every order is self-service. High-value customers often need guidance, support, and a more consultative buying experience. With our sales representative functionality, your internal sales team can securely place orders on behalf of assigned corporate accounts and users. They can access the customer's negotiated product catalog and pricing, review order history, quote, and account transaction in real time during a call or discussion. This allows your sales team to stay actively involved in the buying journey, support complex customer needs, and help close larger deals directly within the platform. Feature 4. Fast bulk ordering with quick order and CSV upload. For repeat buyers who already know exactly what they need, B2B ordering should be fast, not repetitive. With our quick order and CSV upload tools, customers can download product lists by category, enter quantities directly, or upload a prepared CSV file into the system. The platform instantly validates the SKUs and adds hundreds of products to the cart within seconds. Customers can also save frequently purchased bulk lists as favorites, allowing them to reorder the same set of products without rebuilding the cart each time. This makes high-volume purchasing faster, easier, and far more efficient for regular B2B buyers. Feature 5. Flexible negotiation with quote-to-order conversion. For large B2B purchases often require negotiation before they become confirmed orders. With our quote-to-order workflow, buyers can build a cart and submit a request for quote directly from their account portal. Your sales team receives the request in the admin panel, reviews the requirement, adjusts pricing where needed, and sends back a tailored quote. Once approved, the customer can convert that exact quote into a confirmed order with a single click, without restarting the buying process or relying on disconnected email communication. This keeps negotiation structured, transparent, and fully connected to the digital sales journey.
Now, let's move on to the last but not least, controlled purchasing with ERP-synced credit limits and invoices. Trusted B2B customers often buy on account, but credit-based purchasing needs both convenience and control. With our company credit and invoicing functionality, each corporate account can be assigned a credit limit that is synced directly from the ERP. As customers place orders on credit, the platform automatically tracks utilization, deducts order values, and clearly displays the remaining available balance in real time. After fulfillment, customers can access their ERP-generated invoices directly from their online account dashboard, giving them a clear view of both purchasing activity and financial records. This creates a more transparent and controlled B2B buying experience, while helping businesses support trusted customers, reduce manual follow-up, and encourage repeat sales. We hope this video has provided you with a helpful summary of the nopStation ERP-Integrated B2B features. If you are interested in boosting your B2B business, do not hesitate to contact us and explore the numerous other benefits of using our solution. If you found this video helpful, you may also be interested in scheduling a personalized demo to see exactly how we make B2B operations more manageable.